Alright, hey Paul, this is the other car you guys were looking at. It's the 2020 GLE 350 in emerald green. I touched briefly on how the color is almost two-tone, one of the more rare colors that Mercedes-Benz offers. We can start up front with this one, and right away you can see differences between this and the GLS. They both have been redesigned from the ground up for 2020. Now, this particular vehicle does have the AMG exterior package, and what that's going to do is give you the diamond studded grille here, along with the black elements down here. This also has the night package, which, as we walk down the vehicle, I'll show you some of those features. It's just going to give it a cleaner look, really. LED headlights, just like in the GLS. Another feature of the night package turns these wheel arches the same color as the paint, where on the GLS they are different from the paint. Now, coming down the side, you may be able to see some of that green metallic flake in the paint. The trim around the windows and on the mirrors is blacked out along with the roof rails. That's more part of the Mercedes-Benz night package. Blind spot monitoring again in the mirrors. Something helpful, 21-inch multi-spoke black accented wheels is very desirable right now, and we do have it here. We can move around back and see the GLE badging along with the 4MATIC badging. As I mentioned, 4MATIC is Mercedes-Benz version of all-wheel drive. Now, why don't we head inside and check out the interior. Alright, now that I'm inside the car, I can point out a few things about this specific one. This is going to have almost fully loaded on this particular vehicle. The black leather goes really well against the emerald green exterior. You can start to see that in the back. It does go all the way through. It gives it a really, really nice touch. For the interior, looks great. This vehicle always does have the panoramic sunroof. That's going to let in plenty of light into the cab. Goes all the way back. Down on the armrest, you can see, just like the GLS, does have plenty of storage in the armrest, along with charging points in there. Further on up, you can see the touchpad similar to the GLS, along with parking options, quick access buttons, things like that. Dual cup holders up here, along with wireless charging, Android, Apple hookup, dual zone climate control, some more 64 ambient color lighting options here, and then up to the main screen for the MBUX system. You can see it's very, very user-friendly. Again, as I mentioned in the GLS, same thing across the front. Gauges completely customizable to change whatever you may want. Voice activated, of course. This particular vehicle does have heated and ventilated front seats. Does have a heated steering wheel, leather wrapped with the grain accent. Just a few of the options in this car. Head-up display, Burmester Surround System. Really, really is a nice look in this car. Now, again, Thursday, I'll be able to go over all these options in detail with you. Until then, if you have any questions, give me a call, 207-831-7391. Okay, I'll talk soon.